Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to add Siri shortcuts to the Air China application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that you should click on the account button down below, then tap on the settings button at the top of the screen in the left side, then scroll down and tap on the Siri shortcut section. Here you can find two options, open sign in or open my trip instructions. So tap on the relevant one you would like to add, and here you can say the phrase that you need to say to Siri. So click on the done button, and as you can see the shortcut has been added. So repeat the same step with the other one if you would like to add it. If you want to remove it, just tap on the relevant one and click on the remove shortcut button. So that's pretty much it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.